Hello guys, in this video, I will give you a full tutorial and honest review of Notion AI, and I will help you to decide if it's worth using in 2025. So let's begin with the basics. Notion AI is an advanced productivity tool built directly into the Notion workspace. It allows you to write, summarize, brainstorm, and organize content more efficiently using AI assistants. So the key features of Notion AI are AI writing assistant that helps generate blog posts, emails, and notes. Built-in summarization tool for long documents. Automated task creation and to-do list generation. Instant translation and grammar correction. Seamless integration with existing Notion databases. The pros of this one are super easy to use. You can just type -AI and start a command. It improves productivity for writers, project managers, and students. It works well with teams by suggesting collaborative edits and summaries. It's affordable compared to other AI writing tools like Jasper or Copy.ai. The cons are the AI sometimes gives vague or overly generic outputs. It still relies heavily on how well you structure your prompts. It is limited formatting when using it inside tables or advanced layouts. It is not ideal for coding-related content generation. So for final verdict, Notion AI is definitely worth trying in 2025 if you're a student, content creator, or productivity enthusiast. It simplifies repetitive writing tasks and make note-taking smarter. For most users, the added value is well worth for the subscription. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.